How to use My Curl products for best results. Always start by adding a good amount of Moist Restore leave-in conditioner into the hair and distribute throughout, detangling as you go. It adds more instant moisture and shine to the hair no matter your texture. Can you see that moisture? After you've applied Moist Restore, dampen your hair a little more if needed and add about a quarter size amount of our Curl Foaming Mousse. And then add the same amount of the curl sauce into the section and distribute with your fingers. You want to make sure that the products are absorbing into the hair with water. And then you want to start taking about 2-inch sections in the back, and you want to start using your fingers to define your curls like so. You should continue this process throughout the entire head. And then you want to sit under a dryer, a hooded dryer, or diffuse your hair for best results. You should allow your curls to dry completely before styling. Her hair was still a little slightly wet, so I didn't fluff it out as much. Your curls can last up to 2 weeks and can be refreshed by spritzing with a little water. You can also use any of these products to refresh your curls. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more natural hair inspiration or styling inspiration. To find our products, visit mycurlproducts.com.